Welcome back. A petition has been filed before High Court against electronic dance and music festivals Sunburn and Supersonic. Petitioner Trajano D'Mello in his petition has pleaded to direct Goa government not to permit to organize these festivals. Petitioner has contended that Goa government has arbitrarily levied fees and has granted permission. The High Court will hear this matter on Tuesday.
Petitioner has contended that Sunburn is being organized on a Comunidad land which is against the core of Comunidad. Petitioner has also raised a question as how government determine the fees for Sunburn and Supersonic when there are no clear rules and guidelines.
Important points that we have raised is that there cannot be taxation without legislation. The other points you can check the petition which is already mentioned today.
Petitioner has annexed many documents obtained under Right to Information Act, citing irregularity in the past by the organizers. Document reveals notings of the police department mentioning drugs trade during the music festivals. Petitioner has also annexed a report of SP Traffic mentioning deployment of minors as traffic marshals during Sunburn festival last year.
There is a chief minister who has come down very severely last year that there are a lot of allegations and these music festivals have to be looked into seriously. We want to know what is all this going on. There is no, everybody is doing it as per their whims and fancies. So there should be a check and control over situations. And this is come on record by the Chief Minister himself.
The High Court will hear this matter on Tuesday. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Team of Anti-Corruption Branch raided house of suspended PSI of Goa Police Sunil Gudler on Thursday. ACB team has found and attached documents and articles worth 21 lakhs, which is alleged to be more than his known source of income.
After conducting inquiry for years, Anti-Corruption Branch on Thursday raided the Santa Cruz house of suspended PSI of Goa Police Sunil Gudler. The search was conducted in pursuance of house search warrant issued by Panji Special Court under Prevention of Corruption Act. During 6 hours long house search, ACB team attached incriminating property documents including laptop and mobile phone approximate worth of 21 lakhs. According to ACB sources, they have found enough material to prove his disproportionate assets and he can soon be arrested in this case. Sunil Gudler is facing trial in police and drugs mafia nexus case before MAPSA CBI court. Earlier, in October 2011, Gudler was arrested by CBI for planting drugs on Israeli national David Driham alias Dudu. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.